Hello, and welcome to this guide explaining how to commission Anker Solix X1. We'll begin with powering the system. Turn on the power switch on the left side of the power module. Then, turn on all the breakers. If you haven't done so, download the Anker Solix Professional app on the App Store or Google Play. Log into the app with your account. Check your email for your account name and password. Tap Create System to begin building the system. Tap Step 1, System Build. Change the system name and add customer information, such as name, email, phone number, and location. When finished, tap Next. Use Bluetooth to detect the backup controller or enter the device's serial number to search for it. After detecting the device, input the activation code printed under the serial number. After connecting with Bluetooth, tap Next. There are 3 network connection options. For Wi-Fi, use 2.4 GHz bandwidth. 5 GHz isn't compatible with X1. For wired network, connect an Ethernet cable to the backup controller. For 4GE, install a mobile dongle on the backup controller. Next, input the number of power modules and batteries you installed. Tap Search to find devices nearby. After you see a devices added successfully prompt, tap Next. Now, the system is built with its own system ID. Update the system to the latest version. After updating, go to System Configuration to select the grid code and power up the system. The app retrieves the grid code automatically according to the location you inputted earlier. If the grid code is incorrect, adjust manually. If it's correct, tap Next. Tap Power on System. Tap Next. Go to System Testing. Note that this process takes a while. If you encounter an error, contact Anker support. Let's move on to the final step post-commissioning. Enter the customer's email and send them a verification code. The customer will receive an email from Anker Solix with the verification code. Input the customer's verification code. Tap Next. System access will then be transferred to the customer's account. Tap Next to continue. Now you can customize the system's performance to the customer's preference. There are 3 modes to choose from. In self-consumption mode, the system maximizes the use of solar power, reducing grid power usage. You can also adjust the energy storage slider to customize exactly how much power is used and stored. In time of use mode, the battery charges when energy prices are low and discharges when prices are high. In off-grid mode, the system powers the home with solar energy and stored battery power. Note that off-grid mode is not compatible with sunlight backup mode on in-phase microinverters. Sunlight backup mode will need to be disabled before using X1's off-grid mode. You can also select advanced options. After customizing, tap Next to finish. Return to the home page to check everything has been completed. If so, congratulations, you've just commissioned Anker Solix X1.
Anker Solix. Live in power.
Thank you.